vívofit Junior 2 is bringing healthy competition to your kiddo with new toe-to-toe challenges. The device can sync with other nearby devices, so when friends get together, they can challenge each other to a timed step challenge. To get started, hold the button to bring up the menu. Then press the button to scroll through menu options until you reach the challenge icon. Press and hold. Press and hold to select one player if your child wants to compete alone, against their own personal record. Or if there are two players who are ready to go toe-to-toe, press and hold here. When two players are selected, the device will search for a friend's vívofit Junior 2. The other player must activate a search on their device too in order for the two to find each other. Once the player is found, the screen will show their name. If more than one player is found, just press the button to cycle through the names until the correct opponent appears. Press and hold. A timer will appear, counting down to the start of the challenge. The starting screen will appear. Then it's time to get moving. A timer will appear on screen along with the player's current step count. Keep moving to get as many steps as possible before the timer counts down to 0. When it's over, the player's step total will appear, followed by their opponent's. Press the button and an icon will award either first or second place. Ready for a rematch? When this screen appears, press and hold to get a new challenge started. If not, press the button to return to the menu. Parents, you can get in on the fun too. All you need to do is download the free Toe-to-Toe app from the Connect IQ store to a compatible Garmin smartwatch. That's all for now. To learn more about vívofit Junior 2, check out the other videos in this series.